What's up, guys and gals? I'm gonna head out here and start up my car and get it warmed up because it's 10 below. I'm gonna kind of explain to you what in the hell's going on with my car, what in the hell's wrong with it, and I gotta take care of. First of all, there's a lot of things going wrong at one time. Needs a new serpentine belt. Needs a new idler pulley. Needs a new. Woo! Yeah, that's cold. Needs a new serpentine belt, idler pulley. Also needs a new oil pump. Well, it actually only just needs the oil pump seal, but I'm gonna change the whole oil pump. I mean, even though it sounds fine and runs good, the belt will start squealing here in a few seconds. But anyways, there's kind of a lot that needs done. It needs really cleaned up too, with all the oil everywhere underneath there. Probably gonna have to change the alternator too, because the oil's got the alternator kind of soaked. So yeah, that's kind of what and all's wrong with it. And I still got to finish some welding on the rocker over here and stuff, and a little bit of welding on the inside underneath on the actual floor pan on the sides. But anyways, that's just a little breakdown of what and all's wrong with my poor little Escort. And that's one of the other reasons why I decided to dump it as a project, because there's just too much common stuff that's wrong with it. I can't be putting a bunch of tuner parts on it, you know, messing around like that, until I actually get it running right and get it to stop leaking so bad. But anyways, that's about it. That's really all I want to do. And it gets me another video up, kind of explaining what and all is going on with this car. So I will be finding me something different. And I'm probably going to have to head on back next weekend and actually go ahead and get my S10 up here with me. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you, even though it's cold as crap. Peace.